guys, hi, this is Lua and thanks for clicking on this video. I am hoping to film this video today and publish it later tonight. It's just gone 7:50 in the morning and my whole house is quiet. It's on a Sunday and I'm meal prepping for the week ahead. A lot of you know that I've been inviting you guys to join me on my 1 meal a day September weight loss challenge, which possibly could carry on. I'm sorry I'm pulling my nose, I've got a cold, so apologies. Which could carry on till further down, but for me I'll do this for a few months. But why not join if you're interested? And the one thing I said in my live session was, if you fail to plan, you definitely are planning to fail. And I have to be honest, I like to be vulnerable with you guys. This is the 3rd of September. It's been 2 days and I cannot say that I have really made myself proud. Yes, I have fasted. It's easy to fast, but it's not that easy to eat the right thing once you break your fast. And because I had not planned, I've been eating a lot of rubbish. Yesterday I was out at a football VIP box and I was eating all sorts within the window, but I don't feel too good this morning. So last night I went out to the shops. This is a bit of motivation for you watching. I hope I can upload this before it's too late. So I'm going to make the video really brief. I've done all my prep. I got about 6:30. It's difficult on a Sunday and it's the last Sunday before the kids go back to school. So it is a challenge. And I did all my prep this today, bought my stuff last night, and I've got meal prep for almost a week because I don't want to have any excuses. Once you don't have what to eat within that window, you tend to binge, and I wanted to inspire you guys. So I'm not going to talk too much. I'll walk straight, show you guys what I've prepared. It'll be meals that you can easily replicate. I'm trying to go low calories, but I said don't count calories, eat enough, but I'll have enough portions, but just the right thing. Right protein, right veg, right roughage, and right carbs. So if this is interesting to you, keep watching this video, and thanks for those of you who are doing this challenge so far. I hope that you succeed. Yes, and I don't think I've showed you guys my this is my apron. I've had it a while, but I don't think I ever show myself when I'm cooking because my kitchen is not set out in that way where I can cook and you see. But I'll take you guys to the things I've prepared and we shall cook together really fast. I have 1 hour to cook everything, and this is what I usually say: it has to be quick and efficient but tasty. And I'll help you guys can replicate this. So yes, let's go, because after that, by 9 o'clock, I have to get ready to leave the house and go for the last minute of school shopping for the kids starting school next week. So like a mom, we are all busy, but we have to try our best. All right, I'll see you guys later. Let me quickly show you guys what I've got here. I've got 3 pieces of no-boned salmon with the skin. I'm going to use the air fryer because I'm in a mad rush. Normally I'll pan sear this, and I'm looking to use like a rich sauce, soy sauce, which I'll add at the end, and I'll show you guys really quickly how I do it. I've got a piece of chicken breast as well, which I'll stir fry, and I'll show you all of that. It's going to be really quick. I've got my veg I have already prepared. I sliced that just when I woke up now. I've got stir fry I got from the shops already prepped. I've not done the mixed peppers yet because I might not use them, depends on how I feel. And then here I have got my freshly sliced tomatoes, celery, onions. I've got my quinoa and I've got bulgurs. There's not a lot of this, so I'm going to cook all of this and some of this. And I've got my measuring cup here because I feel it's easier, and I've got my pans ready to start cooking. So let's get cooking. And I might not talk, but yeah.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me were meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me, we meant to be in the great out.
This is me pretty done, and I used my new air fryer, which I think is wonderful. I'll actually put a link where I got this from. I cooked it for 8 minutes and it came perfectly well. I'm just plating everything I've cooked, and it's so fulfilling knowing that I've done this in about an hour. But I think the plating and all the videoing, without that, it would be less than an hour. I will just put this now in proportionate amounts. The veg is always the bigger portion, like I always talk about portion control without counting calories. So I'm putting all of the veg in the big compartment, and the other two smaller sections, I have my bulgur jollof, which was just with chicken, and the other section I'll add in some quinoa. It looks like it's very starchy, but there's a reason why I've done this. I kept look at the salmon, it's come out so beautifully. I forgot to show you guys the sauce I used on top, but I was in a rush, and I might do another video if you guys want to see. So I just put the salmon in the other section and my quinoa, and I'm done plating. To completely finish this off, I'll just cover this. It's cooled down for about 15 minutes, and I am going to put it in the fridge and freezer. It could stay in the fridge for up to 3 days and in the freezer for a week. So I've got my food Monday to Saturday, and Sunday is my off day, where I still fast, but I don't really eat this. I eat whatever. So I have some ideas, takeaway or might go out somewhere. I have completed this in an hour and a half. I'm about to go out. This is the full stock like you've seen in the video. If you enjoyed that, give us a like and consider subscribing, and see you in the next video on our Omad challenge. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.